Hi fairies, welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. So we are going to be doing a remix version of the Nicki Minaj wig that I did on my channel about a week ago. You guys seem to have loved that video so much, so I'm actually going to put in the video the comment that kind of took my eye from that video. One of my subscribers suggested that I do a different color instead of the red, that I do a different color as in black or navy blue or something darker to just really have that rainbow stand out. So I was like, ooh, oh my gosh. So the first time I saw that comment, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get started on this wig DF ASAP. So I decided to do black. So I had a couple of different, things happen in this video, but I decided to keep them in because I wanted to show you guys you can still pull something together even though you have a little bit of adversity happen. The first thing I'm gonna do is start by cleaning off my lace. I'm gonna be putting the product that I love to use to do this down below, but I believe it's called Glue Be Gone, and I will put the company website down below. I ordered this a while ago. This is a black owned company. This is the only thing I've been using to clean my lace lately, and I love it so much. Does a really good job of taking off my lace glue and taking off any built up makeup or anything that I have on the lace. It does a extremely good job, so I definitely think you guys should check it out. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is start by putting some conditioner on the rainbow side. I did not want any of the black dye to seep over to the rainbow side. You guys know how long it took me to do this wig in my last video. If you guys have not seen that last video to even see how I even got the wig this far, definitely go ahead and check that out because it's very informative. And then we will fast forward to this part. I'm gonna take some Ion After Color Sealer, and I'm gonna put that first by using a applicator brush and putting it on the part, and then I will put a little bit more of the product all throughout the hair on this side, and we're going to make sure that we leave it in just in case any of the black dye does get on the rainbow side. It will not stain it and it will wash right out because we do have the conditioner sitting on that side. Okay, so moving on to doing the jet black version, I just went ahead and tried to do the same jet black concoction that I do all the time, but this wig taught me that doing a regular jet black that I normally love to do will not work on red hair. You guys will just see the problems that I had later on. I just went ahead and used a semi-permanent from Kiss Colors jet black, and I put that on the lace. That's usually what I like to do. Then I like to take a permanent jet black dye from Dark and Lovely and put that all throughout the rest of the hair, and you guys will see later on that this literally did not work. You saw some of the red peeking through. It wasn't really as dark as I really wanted it, but I'm just gonna let you guys see what happens, and I will come back to show you guys what I did later on to fix it. Okay, so you guys will literally see that, you know, obviously the color is all in the hair. That's not the problem. The problem was I felt like the red was just seeping through way too much. Like I felt like this kind of turned in more or less like a dark burgundy touch of black. It definitely was not jet black. So I was like, okay, we're gonna have to fix this. So I just rinsed it out, let it air dry overnight, and then off camera I did mix up my own concoction. This is the first time I ever used a jet black concoction like this, and when I tell you guys, this came out so dark. This jet black is dark, you guys. Like I was like, dang, like I should have recorded it, but like I said, it was my first time doing it and I wanted to do it off camera to experiment, and I love this so much to the point where I feel like I want to start doing my jet black wigs with this concoction moving forward. I will be doing a separate video showing you guys the two colors that I did decide to use to get my black this dark and this deep. So if you guys want to see that video, please thumbs up this video so that I know that number one, you did like this video, and number two, that you do want to see a newer updated jet black tutorial to show you how I got this deep extreme jet black blue black color. I just went ahead and let the hair 30%, or not 30%, I let the hair 80% dry, and then as usual I will come back and do the blow drying style of the video. But I did not finish here. I did decide to add another color to the back of the wig. When I was pretty much done blow drying the hair, I noticed that I just felt like it was missing something. It was missing a pop. It was missing something to really just make the wig stand out. Then I noticed, okay, I had the red on the other side, and that's what really made this wig stand out, because it had that super deep rich red. But now that we took the red away, I felt like it was missing in the wig. So next day I did decide to put a little bit of red in the back where it originally was like that light pink rose gold color. And then fast forward to the next day, I believe, I swear this is like day 4 by now. The next day I decided to go ahead and blow dry it again off camera, and I did go ahead and flat iron it. You guys have seen me do that step so many times, I didn't think it was necessary to show on camera again, but this part I am just flat ironing it a little bit more on camera for you guys. I also show you guys how the wig looks with the red part. You guys can see it just looks so much better. I feel like that red was this really the pop of color that it was missing in the wig, so I definitely had to bring it back. And this part I just went ahead and just showed you guys all the different dimensions that I did have in the hair, and I felt like the wig was completely complete now because I went ahead and put that color back into the wig. Per usual, I know you guys are gonna kill me, but I went ahead and did my makeup off camera, and now we are moving on to the next day, and I just went ahead and put my wig on. I did notice that I finally figured out how to do a glueless wig, because I literally just popped this wig on and that was about it. That's all I needed. So yeah, that pretty much is the end of the video, you guys. I didn't even have to adhere the wig down. I literally just popped it right on, and I just went ahead and kept it moving. Right after this video, I did go ahead and do my professional photo shoot. But not only that, you guys, I figured out about this time in the video that Nicki Minaj reposted my TROLLZ wig on her Instagram. I almost fell out, you guys, literally almost fell out. So that was so surprising, so happy. I found out about this time in the video when I was recording, so I was geeked. But yeah, let me know how you guys like the black and rainbow split dye. I felt like this came out so bomb. I want to know if you guys like the red and rainbow or if you like the black and rainbow. Let me know down in the comment section down below. Per usual, I love you guys so much and can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.